This is our small house. Oh, you're planting mess over there. Wow. Okay, welcome back to our channel. Where is Solomon? So in this video we'll be going to our farm, okay, which is about Senapati, above Senapati, which will take around 6 kilometers to reach there and around 10 to 20 minutes. So we are excited. Hey, come here fast. Where are we going now?
We are going to farm.
Farm?
Yes.
Which type of farm?
Our farm.
Okay. This is the vehicle we're gonna take, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 of us we are going to. There, it's gonna be so sunny, and he's already ready with the cap. Wow. What cap is that? Let's go. Now we'll be going towards that side. We just came from this way. Let's go up there, okay? Oh, lovely. Come here. Oh, it's a little bit slow and stiff, but I hope we can manage to go there. Wow. Hey, mister, wait for me. You have to go slow. I'm carrying your bag, okay? I'm carrying your bag. Lovely. It's okay over here. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See, that is Senapati. Senapati over there. And that is the way we took. Like this and then like this, okay? Let's go. Huh? We do again this side also. Oh. What is that? Cotton?
No.
That?
So
So this is our small house over here. And out there you can see Senapati down. It's not that clear. Okay. Okay, this is the drone and we're gonna fly, okay? So out here we're ready to fly, right? Are you ready?
yeah.
Okay, let's go. बारिश आ गया है. Finally the rain started raining, so we stopped the drone shot, and then after the rain we're gonna see, okay guys, it's gonna be really pretty awesome because right after the rain it's gonna be so sunny and so bright. Also the environment is gonna be so good, okay? So now it's raining. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Woo. Are you digging a small pond? Swimming pool. Wow. Hui. Hui. This is the way to the stream. Oh, there's an egg. Look at this egg.
Oh yeah, there's a break now.
It already hatched. So big. Wow. There's a squirrel. Squirrel over there. We are going now. Wow. Really, this is my favorite place. Whenever I go to jungle, I used to climb over there. So let's go.
You need to take a picture of it.
Yeah, no chance. Oh, there is no way anymore. It's already sea. I never visit, so it's no way. Oh, it's gonna be scary. Scary. Whoa. Woo! See? बारिश आ गया है finally it started raining again. Oh my gosh, I'm getting wet literally. Oh my god, this is how I recharge my soul. Run. This is the chicken curry. This is why?
Jackpot.
Okay, jackpot. Wow.
Come here, one chicken. I have a big chicken. I have a big chicken. Tata, say.
Out here, I'm the chef right now, cooking the sticky rice over here. We're gonna drink the soup. We're gonna eat the rice. Fire is firing very nicely. Okay. Right now I'm shirtless. Check this out. Oh, sticky. This is the sticky rice over here, and this is the Mr. Solomon. This is the work. Actually, his work is to plant the maize. The maize he planted over there. Right?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Very bad guy. See, very dirty. I slept off and woke up, and I was born again. Oh, you're planting maize over there. Wow. We are going back, okay? There's another vehicle coming over there. This is the road. Turn on.